and welcome to my channel. I'm Bimbo Afolalu, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you success questions. I've got 3 questions prepared for you today. The first one being, where are you? Where are you in your life, be in business, in your career, or generally in your dreams? You take a moment to discover where you are. Write down exactly where you think you are in life. Be realistic. Then move on to the next question, which is, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Once you determine where your destination is, what your dreams are, what your goals are, you set the goals to get you to achieving those dreams. And that leads me to the final question for today. How do you intend to get to where you are going? This is the pathway that takes you from A, which is where you're currently at, to B, that's the final destination of your dream that you're setting out. It doesn't take a day, it might take days. A journey of 1,000 miles will take several days to accomplish. So be encouraged, take a day at a time, a step at a time. Applaud yourself each time you accomplish a goal and you see yourself achieving greatness. I hope I've been able to inspire you today, and I believe that I would see you again tomorrow. Take care and bye-bye.